Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to resize image in Notion. So first I will add an image in order to show you how to resize it. So I will quickly upload this file. Now, in order to resize this image, go to the corners and you should see that this line appears in the right and in the left corner. When you click and drag this line, you can make your image smaller or bigger. This is very simple. You can also add another image next to it and resize them together just by adding another image. And now dragging this image next to the first image. And now they are side by side and you can go straight to this middle line and drag this line to resize the images to your liking. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.